Hey guys, Tammy Russell, your Outer Banks Realtor here, and I am in Corolla, North Carolina in the Whalehead community, and we're going to be going inside and taking a look at a new construction. We're going to be hitting the market here soon. It's to the point where we're getting some drywall up. They're going to be starting some painting within the next probably week or so. Then all things are going to be start moving really quickly. So we're going to give you a sneak peek and let you have a first look. So inside, we're up here on the top floor, and you can see really nice high ceilings. Again, this is a reverse floor plan. So on the top floor, we're going to have one of your primary en-suites. Does have a nice deck area. We're about 5 lots off the ocean here, so a nice easy walk to get to the beach. We have his and hers closets, which is kind of a luxury in a beach house. You normally don't have this much closet space. And then we're going to have a nice big tile shower, your vanity area, and then your little toilet area. You even have a linen closet here. We're going to have a nice big kitchen with an island. Kitchen's going to wrap right on around into this nook. You'll have some pantry space. And then this is actually the elevator shaft. So we're going to have an elevator that'll go to all 3 floors. As we're going down, you'll see here on the landing, we have a half bath. So it's all plumbed in, has some nice high windows to let in some natural light. Then on your mid-level, this is where the majority of the bedrooms are located. And the thing that I love about this floor plan is that there's a lot of primary en-suites. So this bedroom, again, has its own tile shower. We're going to do some really pretty tile in here. Then here's the elevator shaft. This is another nice sized bedroom. And take note too how they have the sliders that are leading out to the decks. Again, another nice big walk-in shower. And then on the opposite side, this is going to be, again, you've got tons of closet space. This is going to be probably where you would set up maybe a bunk room, which would be a great spot for the kids. And then this one actually has a Jack and Jill bath. So the 2 bedrooms over here are going to share. We're going to have a nice big vanity, and then the tub, which is going to have a tile surround. And then you have this bedroom, again, also really nice size. Deck access, huge closet. Again, more closet space, which is just a rare thing to find in a vacation home, this much storage. But it's great for owner's closets. You can lock up your stuff. So it's here ready and waiting when you come down. And then here on the lower level, the ground floor, this is where we're going to have the rec room. So you're going to have a kitchenette here, which is perfect if you're hanging out by the pool and you just want to run in and grab something to drink. The pool's not in yet, but we've got a nice big yard out here. Plenty of room for a pool. This is going to be the elevator shaft. And then in here, we've got another bedroom. and another walk-in shower. So the Whalehead Club is one of my absolute favorite communities here in Corolla because the lots are so big. Typically, we're looking at about a half acre, so everybody really has room to spread out. They did a great job when they were planning this community. There's lots of walkovers to the beach. So I'm going to bring you out here and then kind of spin you around. I just love the color of this house. It's just so happy. Beautiful white crisp trim on the front. And then again, you can see a nice big backyard area. And we're still pretty early in the construction process. So there's going to be more site work done. Obviously, when the pool's here, we're going to have a nice concrete area for hanging out. But they were able to leave a lot of the trees to give you some privacy. And I'm going to come back here and let you get a view off the back so that you see the amount of deck space. One of the great things about the Outer Banks is all the outdoor living that we do here. And this house is definitely set up for that. All right, I hope you've enjoyed the sneak peek of my new Whalehead listing.